Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your iPhone camera to OBS Studio. First, open your browser and search for DroidCam on Google. Open the official website and scroll down until you see the OBS plugin. Click on it, scroll down again and download the plugin. Once the download is completed, open it and install the plugin on your computer. If you plan to use a USB connection, make sure to enable USB support in the plugin. While the plugin installing, open the App Store on your iPhone, search for DroidCam and install the app. After the installation is finished, open up OBS Studio. Then, open the DroidCam on your iPhone and allow camera, microphone and network permissions. Now in OBS, click on Add Source and select DroidCam OBS. Now change the resolution if needed and choose USB or Wi-Fi as the device. If you are using Wi-Fi, enter the IP address shown in the DroidCam app on your phone. You can also enable audio if you want. Once everything is set, click Activate and you are ready to use your iPhone camera for OBS. Just make sure your iPhone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Otherwise, it won't work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.